So now we will talk about lifts. Some of the kids might find lifts easier than keeps, but let me tell you, there are a lot of technicalities involved while you are doing a lift. It might look like just a swing, but then there are a lot of technical things which you will have to look into when the children are doing. Okay, the first thing is the important thing is your wrist. Okay, so when you're doing the lifts, children tend to swing the racket from here and the follow through goes there and they might hit the children nearby. So for this you will have to first work on their wrist work. Okay, so there are a few easy steps which you can follow. So first initially ask the child to just use his wrist and do this. Okay, the wrist goes back and then front, back, then hit. So when you go back, you hold the grip loose, and just before you strike the shuttle, you hold it tight and then lift it up. So make sure it doesn't go too high. So just wrist back and then hit. Okay, this is one. The second thing here, so you ask the child to keep their wrist back like this. If they keep it down, then the racket will touch the ground. So sometimes the children, without using the wrist, when they do the lift, this happens. It will touch the ground. So it has to be made mandatory that the wrist goes back and then the swing comes. So first you start off from here. The second you start off from here. The wrist is back and then forward. Back and then forward. Back and then forward. The third one is you either get it from the side, this, or from the back. And again here the wrist is back, this. So if they keep their wrist front, then it will touch the floor. So the wrist has to be back and then lift, back and lift. Okay, this is when it comes to follow through. And same as keeps, the progression will be the same. So you start off with just the stationary lifts, then you progress on to one step, and then from the base to the front court with 3 steps.